Welcome to another review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to take a look at the All Swift women's tennis shoe. Now, this is not just a normal tennis shoe. This is a hiking, running, walking. It's basically a cross trainer shoe, and it's very well made. So let's take a close look at the shoe and see why I say it's a well-made shoe. First of all, it's very light. So if I'm going to wear a cross trainer, I want something light, especially if I'm running. I don't like a heavy shoe. If it's heavy, I'm not going to wear it very long. I'm going to be taking it off and I'll be trying something else. It's also a very breathable shoe. And when I say breathable, what that means is that it is a meshed material which allows the moisture to wick away from your body. And by doing that, it's going to keep your feet more comfortable, but it's also going to keep those odors and things down as well. It's just overall a better situation if you are running and hiking, if you have a breathable shoe. The sole on this is going to be called popcorn. And what it does is it actually absorbs that impact a lot more than a regular sole. It is a solid rubber popcorn type material that makes it very flexible, but yet absorbs a lot of that impact. Now, it has the laces here, which you're going to tie, and it has a pull-up strap up here in the front, and it has one in the back as you're sliding the shoe on. The inside is really nice. It has a very plush insole, which is going to absorb a lot of that impact. If you're standing all day in these, that helps tremendously, but if you are running and walking and hiking, it is definitely going to absorb a lot of that impact. The toe has got rubber on the front, which tends to be where you tear up the front of your shoes the most. I like that, so it protects that area. It also has an anti-torsion mid plate in the sole, which actually helps with support and stability. So guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because I think it is an awesome shoe that will last you a long time, and it should be extremely comfortable. So do yourself a favor, buy yourself a pair today, and we will see you guys on the next review.